So you might be in a position where your Spotify Wrapped for some reason is not showing up. Now what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe every time you go into Spotify, you are not seeing this little Spotify Wrapped option down here, or maybe you're not seeing Spotify Wrapped in general. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing for the very first moment is to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and make sure, or internet in general, and go ahead and make sure your Spotify application is updated. Like I said before, if you're on a very old version of Spotify, it may not work out properly and you may just want to go ahead and update your version. So go ahead and just type in Spotify as you normally would and make sure you're up to date. You don't even have to be on the most recent version. As you can see, I'm maybe 2 versions behind. So just update it and that may end up fixing it. Now, personally for me, that did not end up fixing it and it was still hidden for me, which was very annoying. So the way that ended up fixing it for me, if this little Spotify option didn't come up here, was by clicking the search button at the bottom. So that middle option, or if you're on another version of Spotify, it's the search button down here. And then I saw this little option come up. It said Your 22 Wrapped. And that is where I was able to see it. For some reason, my front panel didn't have it here. So then I clicked search, and then it was able to come up here. So that's another way that it may end up working for you, is if you just go and click on that search button, it'll come up just like that, and then you can go ahead and view it. Now, if you view this type of option, all you have to do is go and click on that specific spot. You'll be able to basically open it up, and that will be your 22 Spotify Wrapped. Now, whenever you're ready, you can go all the way at the end. Now, all the way at the end is where your Spotify Wrapped thing will come up. So this is where you can go ahead and share these little things. So whichever song you want to go ahead and share, whichever thing you want to share, and that is basically how it'll come up. So if you're missing this, well, basically it's because you're not able to boot up that panel. I think it's also available on Spotify, the free version as well. But those are pretty much the main ways to do it. You can also try restarting your phone, but you may have to wait a little bit of time before it comes up anyway. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More important than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.